Ule, dinia. Dinia, Sheila, Temes, Benego, Tomale.
Forgot to go, eh?
Forgot to go. Forgot to go. Limim, Shu, Mohu. Now got a yare. Oh my god. This one is big. Good morning. Welcome back to another episode. As you guys can see today, I'm out in the wood with my uncle. What are we doing today?
Go. Very good.
Very good.
Hey, good morning, everyone.
Are we about to do some squirrel hunting?
Yeah.
How many you finna get today?
I don't know.
Alright guys, we show you as the video continue. Please stay tuned and watch the whole video. Yeah, alright, see you guys. Alright guys, I spotted a squirrel over there. Yeah, I spotted a squirrel over there. Yeah, chewing the nut right now. I'm about to go shoot it. Alright guys, so we got our first squirrel and I'm gonna go pick it up right now. I can hear like a few squirrels on that side over there. But yeah, I'll show you guys. Oh, there's another one over here. Gotta stay quiet. You can make a lot of sound when you're out in the wood. You know what I mean? Squirrel can hear really good. Yeah, show me off this tree. Off this tree right here. Drop him here somewhere. Alright guys. So we found our squirrel. It's right here. Okay. It's a male. Another male. Okay. Let's get it. Draw him. Go on. Alright guys, so let's just drop another squirrel. This is fast squirrel. Right here. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is what we're looking for, guys. It's a male. Another male. Alright guys, we got another fox squirrel. We got another fox squirrel, guys. This one is big. I'll show you guys. I'll drop him right there. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. This one is big. Look at that. See that? That's a squirrel. There's actually another one over there. Another one over there. I can hear him. I'm about to get all my squirrel that shot. Look, this one. It's big. Oh my goodness. There's another one over here somewhere. I dropped like 2 fox squirrels in one tree. 2 fox squirrels. Look, there's another one over here. Oh my god, they they are the same size. This is great. Look, so big. He's done. He's done. Yep. Drop. Oh yeah. Another one. It's male, female. Oh, this one's a female. Whew. Alright guys, so I think I'm done for the day. It's, I got my limit. I don't know about my uncle. I'm gonna go back to him now. So I got 3 fox squirrel and then 2 gray squirrel. Here in Wisconsin, the daily limit is only 5 per day, which is pretty low compared to Missouri. Missouri, if I'm not mistaken, I think their limit is like 10 per day. All right guys, I'll show you when I'll get that parking lot. Time to go home, guys. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day here. I got my limit. So excited. Another day, another dollar, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go see how many my uncle got today. I couldn't call him. And I'm gonna show you guys how many squirrels he got. Alright, see you. Okay, Ule, Dinia. Dinia, Sheila, Temesida, Benego, Tomale.
Forgot to go away.
Forgot to go. Limit, Mishu, Mohu. Now got a yare.
Nah. How about to go?
A few yards so low.
Yeah, this is the topic.
Totally.
Where?